What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a room transformation video. I think you guys have already gotten like a small sneak peek from the background, and of course you've seen the thumbnail as well. But I'm here at my parents' place. I'm back home. This isn't my studio. In case you're a new viewer, you might not be used to this setup. So I am back home and I have been meaning to do this. I think when right before my birthday series, like in September, I wanted to flip this room, and I had actually bought a lot of things in order to flip my room. I still have all of those things, but I never went through with it, and I'm actually so glad that I didn't, because the idea that I had pehle, I wasn't 100% sure about it. I was just doing it for the sake of doing it, and I'm just so glad I took my time. So basically, you guys can see that I painted my room black. Well, not my room, a wall in my room black, which is so not me. It's so not my current aesthetic, but I think it's slowly becoming my aesthetic. So basically, I was scrolling through Pinterest and I found this image on Pinterest, and I fell in love with that image. I was like, I need a black wall and I need some like geometric prints somewhere. I initially wanted to get a wallpaper, ye wallpaper, but obviously COVID happened and all of that. So I thought, let's try to flip it myself. And actually the reason why I fell so in love with that image is because I do own a black sofa cum bed, like a velvet black sofa cum bed, and I've been meaning to either get rid of it or get a new color, like get it क्या बोलते हैं उस पे कपड़ा चढ़ाते हैं ना, upholster, I think. I don't know, I think you guys get the point. So मुझे उसका color change करना था, because I used to hate the black color and I just wanted to get rid of it or just change it. But I knew that that wasn't gonna happen for at least 6 months minimum, probably even more. So I was like, I have to work around it, and I think I've done a pretty good job of working around it and going with the black and white theme. So initially I was going to keep it black, white and green, like pops of green in terms of plants. I feel like green is a neutral. It looks good with every space, like no matter what your color, your living room or your bedroom is, if you add a green plant, it's gonna go with it. So I consider green to be a neutral. So I was gonna go with a very like neutral bedroom, but eventually I figured that orange looks so nice with black and white. So I had to add pops of orange here and there. Utne nahi hai, if you go to see, thode hi hai, like 4-5 pops hai, but I think it really like livens up the space. So yeah, I actually didn't do much now that I think of it. The first thing that I obviously did was paint my wall black. So I went to Asian Paints and I got their jet black matte color. I wanted matte because glossy looks a little bit cheap in my opinion personally, but I will say having a black wall is a little bit of a hassle, because there is a little bit of maintenance that comes with it, especially with this color and this texture. It's matte, also it's chalkboard paint, so you can actually write with chalkboards, and it scratches very easily. So you do have to go over with it with like a gila kapda and just wipe it down. It honestly takes like 5-10 seconds, but just letting you guys know in case you want to do it yourself. I think मुझे वो डब्बा 300 या 250 का पूरा मिला, and मैंने ये पूरा wall paint किया, and थोड़ा सा जो बचा था उससे मैंने mirror भी paint किया. You guys will see in a little bit. Mirror as in the border of the mirror. Sorry, let me be clear there. So Aditya and I actually painted this wall, but somehow I managed to delete the footage of us painting. And I almost didn't do this video because I deleted that footage. But then I thought to myself, you guys have seen me painting so many times and it's just a black coat. Like there's nothing great that we're doing here. There's no design, there's no intricacy. So I do want to apologize for not including the clip because I don't have it. But the next step was to paint my accessories, like my chair. As you can see, my chair, this used to be pink. We spray painted it. एक पूरा spray paint का can लग गया ये एक chair को paint करने के लिए, but the finish is so good. Originally this was white, I believe, and then I painted it pink, and now I've painted it black. So one quick tip that I have for you guys for spray painting is to do short strokes, like one pump at a time, as you can see, instead of holding the button down and spray painting it. I think that just gives a very uneven finish, and also you'll end up having like splotches. So just keep pressing it at one time and letting the color disperse little at a time. So in total I needed 2 cans. I think एक can 150 or 120 ka tha. So once I was done with painting my chair and my stool, the only thing that I honestly needed to do was redo my wardrobe ka door. So if you're an old viewer, you know I used to have this brick wall with flowers all over it. I had to get rid of it at this point because it was falling apart and it's become old, you know, और उसपे धूल वूल जमा हो गया. So I got rid of the whole thing, and in order to cover it, I got a bunch of printouts, black and white glossy printouts. So in case you're wondering where I got all of these cute printouts from, so I just went on to Pinterest and searched for like cute black and white images, and I just downloaded those and printed them. And I essentially just stuck them on the wardrobe card door, and it just looks so nice. I freaking love it. So like doing these collages is really popular these days. It's really trendy to do that. So that's what I did, and honestly I think that's it for my transformation. I painted the wall, painted the chair, and then did like a cute collage on the wall, and that was basically it. It's so fun to flip your room, and it necessarily doesn't have to be expensive. As you can see in this video, I think I spent not more than 1,000 rupees. So if you're bored at home, this is definitely an activity that you can do. I know it's obviously not possible to step out of your house to buy like paint and stuff like that, so of course you can avoid that, but you can try to find different things that you already have at home and try to flip it in a creative way. Of course, use Pinterest. Pinterest is going to be your biggest best friend. But I think I'm done with my rambling. Basically that's it. I'm going to show you a before of what the room looked like, and then we'll do like a cute room tour. It's been a while since I've done a room tour for this room, so we're gonna be doing that. So this is the first thing that you see when you enter. It's a mess. I need lots of organization right there. We're gonna be painting this wall and this wall. Then here we have the dressing table. Then these are the bookshelves, which again we're gonna give it like a nice makeover. The study tables right here, which again needs to be cleared out. I need more storage for sure. So we have some trunks right here, which I'm gonna switch them up with black trunks. This is another mess of a situation. I'm gonna be redoing this whole thing because it's falling apart. And then we have the mirror, which again we're gonna be painting it black. So when you step into the room, this is actually what you can see first glance. So now I'm just gonna go section by section so that I can give you all the details. So there is where the door is, and I have my bed right here. So if you remember my first ever room tour, I'm actually gonna link it down below for you guys in case you want to watch it. The room was so different. So yeah, I do really like my bed here now. On top of the bed we have a bookshelf. You remember my bookshelf pehle had like my books in like color coordinated order. It almost looked like a rainbow bookshelf, and I did really like it, but obviously that wasn't going to match with this theme. So I've given this shelf a complete revamp. Just gonna break it down for you guys really quickly. Black books right there. Then we have this thing that I got from Market 99. Then I just drew this and added this in a frame. If you remember this was there in the first studio as well. Then we have some orange books, white books. फिर एक गमले में मैंने plant डाल दिया और fairy light. That frame was also there in my last studio. I just brought it here. And then those two are given to me by Aditi, so I'm using them properly. And I have some IKEA lights, and then that camera, I don't even remember actually where I got it from, but yeah, this is what the shelf looks like. So this bed is something that I would always hide almost because the headboard is black, so I would always cover it with white chadar. If you remember, if you've been like watching me for a while, you know exactly what I'm saying. And finally we're like embracing the black velvety color. Now for this bed, I honestly don't put too much because I sleep here, so if I put too much here, I'm gonna have to like remove it every now and then put it back. So I just have one chadar which I actually use, and this I got from Amazon. I have the same one in white as well. If you want, I will link everything down below. It's very nice, and it has like beautiful fringes, and at a close-up also it has really nice detailing. Other than that, we just have two cushion covers, which both of them I think are from Shein, I'm pretty sure. I've had them for years at this point, so I just use them here. Very nice black and white vibe. And to the left of my bed is my vanity mirror. Now this is actually the only thing that I feel like doesn't like go properly. पहले मेरा यहाँ पे एक desk भी था, with like a bunch of drawers, and I've moved it aside because I wanted to fit the bed here. So it is a little bit odd to have a vanity mirror here and then the bed, I know, but I'm working with very little space. So right now I can't get rid of this because obviously COVID, so I'm just working with what I have. I do realize it's very odd to have this random mirror where I sleep, but it is what it is. So moving along, this is the beautiful black wall that we painted. I think it looks so nice. I was actually really confused as to what I wanted to do for this wall. For the longest time I got the macrame, the big macrame that I had, and I wanted to hang it up here, and I almost did also, but I'm so glad that I didn't do that because it just made the whole room look very small. My mom warned me pehle, I didn't listen to her, and I still attempted to hang it, and I saw it for myself. It looked really bad. So right now I just have this table which I think is gonna stay here. So this is the table that I was talking to you guys about, which was under the vanity. I think this is where I'm gonna keep it. I think it looks really nice, and andar ka sab saman वैसे के वैसे ही है, everything still the same. If you want, you can go watch my vanity tour if you want. So ideally I would have liked to order a neon sign, like an orange neon sign, to go up here with a quote that I already have in mind. So probably I'll do that post COVID and after things settle down. But for now I just made these Polaroid frames which I am obsessed with, and it just displays all the beautiful, like some of my favorite Polaroids right here. And abhi temporarily मैंने ये cactus का LED light रख दिया है because I can't have a real one. So this is what I'm going to be keeping. This is also by Shein, by the way. Moving to this cute little nook. So ये कपाट भी वैसे के वैसे ही है जैसे था, उसमें मैंने कुछ भी changes नहीं किया है. But यहाँ पे if you remember मेरा study table हुआ करता था, उसको भी हटा दिया. Like we've literally moved everything that we possibly could, and I do realize this wasn't there the whole time when I was talking there. It's because I need to like tape it on because I haven't like had the time to get it drilled, so it's just staying like that for now. But यहाँ पे basically एक switchboard है, so you guys know I have to hide all the switchboards. तो मैंने ये रख लिया है यहाँ पे मेरा corkboard, I think that's what it's called. And then we have my cactus. So actually a lot of you guys asked me where I got this from. I got it from a local store and it's so expensive. It's for 5,000 rupees. So I saw this a while ago and I wanted to buy it the minute I saw it, but then when I heard the price I was like, there's no way I'm gonna buy it. And then for 3 months, I'm not even kidding, like literally every day or every other day I would think about it, and I was like, if I'm thinking about this thing for 3 months, I should just get it. And I did, and I don't regret it honestly because it's so cute. I've never seen anything like this. Like you can't buy it online, it's so unique. So yeah, this is the cactus right here, and also my mother would never let me buy like a real cactus, so this is what we're gonna have to make do with. And then here we have the bar cart from IKEA. So as you can see, I have bought a lot of things from my studio here that didn't fit there, and I think they fit really well here. So I have my bar cart right here, and यहाँ पे ऊपर, as you can see, there are some ugly wires. So we've hid those with a wall macrame. I made this myself. So just to give you guys a closer look, like a breakdown of this bar cart. I'm not 100% happy with the way it looks, to be honest. I do want to do something else, but I think for now this doesn't look bad. So यहाँ पे bottom में मैंने सारे मेरे summer perfumes निकाल के रखे हैं so that I have like easy access to this, because otherwise I don't end up using everything. I just use the same 1 or 2 fragrances. So we have my summer collection right here, so I pick like a new scent every single day. I know I'm still home, but I like to wear perfume even at home after I'm done showering. And then here we have these really cute boxes, marble boxes, which I made myself, and I'm just keeping all of my like notebooks and pouches that I like need every single day, so that it's easy access. And then here it's the same thing. We have another box. This is the Shein ka box, as you can see. Uska upar ka cover ko maine marbleize kar diya, and then we just have a random fake plant. This is from IKEA as well. Okay, so talking about this side of the room, this is exactly opposite to the door and the bed. So I decided to keep this space very plain and simple. So यहाँ पे पीछे by the way windows है. A lot of you guys ask me where are your windows in your room. यहाँ पर मैं usually curtains नीचे रखती हूँ जब मैं shoot करती हूँ, because I I don't want to give away the view and where I stay, all of that. So we have some white blinds right here, and यहाँ पे बैठने की भी जगह है, गद्दा है. This is where I've kept my study table. I love where it's like kept, because if I want to say film a video, I can put my tripod right here, open the windows and have a table also in front of me. So every time I film a makeup tutorial, for the most part, I would say 99% of the time, I don't have a table in front of me, and it's very convenient to have one. Like if you film videos, you know what I mean. So it's gonna be very nice to finally have a table in front of me. You guys saw me spray painting this. यहाँ पे 2 drawers है. I have my laptop, my camera, not my camera, sorry, my phone right here. On this side, I've kept the stool, and I've just kept it here just for extra seating, just in case. It is a little inconvenient to have this here, because if I need to open this, I have to like move it, but it's fine. So to be very honest, usually this entire parapet is filled with these kind of boxes. अभी के लिए मैंने सिर्फ एक ही रखा है with all of my essentials. So this just has my makeup and then my skincare, like everyday stuff that I need. Easy access होता है, यहाँ पे बाहर होता है pouches में तो. But usually it's like filled with these baskets of like different videos. So like different videos के products are like kept in baskets. But for the video, I kind of cleared it out. So this is what I freaking love. This is my wardrobe right here. And of course, how can I not talk about this really cute carpet? It's actually more like a rug than a carpet. Like it's a very, very thin material. I will link it down below for you guys. It definitely needs to be washed, but I think this just ties the whole room together. Like just look at how cool it looks with the whole room. It just goes so well with the vibe. So yeah, as I was saying, this is my wardrobe. If you want to see what's in there, you can see my wardrobe tour for sure. I painted this black. Also, I tried to clean the mirror, but I think I just made it worse. And then here we have the beautiful collage wall. I think this is my favorite part of the room. Just look how cool it looks. Also, I haven't gotten rid of my bags right there. That's just how it is. And I think that's basically it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. These are actually one of my favorite videos to film and edit. They're just so much fun. Actually, I did one year ago also, now that I think of it. I'm gonna link that also in the description box below. That room, I mean yehi room tha, but it was a different aesthetic. That also turned out very cute. So yeah, that's it. I will see you in my next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you guys enjoyed watching, and follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.